have moved the buildings around for the town section a few times. I'm sure I'm gonna move some of them around a few more times. So take these buildings here in front of the train tunnel. So the print shop has been here, but next to the print shop, I did have the police station. Well, normally I like the police station by the fire station, and I like the fire station on a hill. So I'm creating a hill for those two. I just have styrofoam stacked on top of each other right now. Nothing's been glued. Once I get it glued, I'll go ahead and start my carving. I do want to add one more piece of styrofoam underneath the water tower. And then when I carve, I want to make a little road that the fire truck can come out of all the way down the hill. So with putting the police station there and adding the post office is smaller. So I was able to scoot the restaurant down a little bit. And then I put the garage here. I added the auditorium at the corner here. I'm not sure if I'm wanting that there yet or not. And then all these houses in the middle section here, I've kind of moved around a little bit. I added Bronner's Christmas store at the end here. I'm not sure if I'm happy with how this is looking right now, so I'll probably work on that a little bit more. I do still have to find somewhere for the Coke plant and the airport.